Okay, today is Sunday. Today is time for mass. And we are late. Ito na, actually mainit yung weather. Papatanggal ka nga ng jacket eh. Pwede ka naka-t-shirt lang today. Tatanggalin ko nga yung jacket mo. Okay, so today is Sunday. At bago kayo mag-vlog, importante yung punasan nyo palagi lens nyo. As in 100% of the time, every time nagpa-vlog ako, pinupunasan ko yung camera ko. Today is Sunday. And how many weeks? 1 month na tayo, no? So 1 month in. Actually, yung parang learning curve mo dito. First week, nakakumit sa jet lag. Second week, you are trying to... hindi, second week. So first week, jet lag. Second week, sinasatisfy mo yung curiosity mo. Like, ano yun? Ano to? Ano tong pagkain na to? Ano tong grocery na to? So, it's more of like, high sensation siya. Highly stimulated ka with all the environment you're seeing. Third week, medyo familiar ka na. So, nag-establish ka na ng routine. Third week, nag-establish ka ng routine. Fourth week, nawala na lahat. Anywhere from jet lag, overstimulated ka, kahit pa paano may routine ka na. So yung fourth week, kung nagmamadali ka talaga, yun yung time na makapag-establish ka na ng routine. Alam mo na yung simbahan, alam mo na kung saan kakain, alam mo na kung saan mag-grocery, working time of the day, lalo na sinasabay yung Philippines, night and morning, sinasabayan mo yun, maglinis, mag-grocery. So, lahat ng mga household chores, sinasabayan mo yun. So, hopefully, 1 month onwards, yun na yung parang productive point mo. Kung may mga productivity things kang gagawin dito sa outside of the country. Lalo na dito, it's really opposite of the Philippines, 12-hour difference. Kung ano yung oras sa Philippines, gawin mo lang kung AM, gawin mo lang PM. That's the exact time here. And siguro last but not least would be yung homesick. Homesick siguro magki-kick in siya syempre right away on the first day, on the first week. Dahil kasi kakaalis mo ng Philippines. Siguro magki-kick in siya ulit. I'm not sure kasi 1 month pa lang ako. Pero for some, sinasabi nila like 3 months, 6 months. Doon siya magki-kick in ulit. After na hindi ka na overstimulated, syempre you start to miss people back home, the routines, activities. Anyway, dito na kami sa simbahan. Today Sunday. And we will try a different church today. So another Trump building dito. Trump World Tower. Tingnan nyo gano'ng kataas. Gano'ng kalaki. Wow!
Iyan, kayo na mami.
Ganda ng panahon, no? Today is a beautiful day. 18 degrees right now. Nagsimula kami dito 0, nag-negative din at 1 point. Pero hindi na masyado in a lot of the previous days, like last week, puro mga 0 to 5. Tapos ngayon, 18 degrees. So, very nice weather and I think maraming mga tao ngayon ang nasa labas. So, we will go to the park today. Today is Sunday and ganda ng weather. So we're just gonna walk all the way to the park, Bryant Park. Grabe ang ganda nitong strip na to. So we are at 42nd Street. 42nd Street, sobrang impressive yung mga buildings dito. Pakita ko sa inyo one by one. Hindi ko lang alam yung mga names ng mga buildings. Pero if you look at the architectural design, tsaka yung mga building aesthetics niya. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo specifically. Ganyan itsura niya all throughout. That's the design spirit of the building. Stick diba? Kasi ito parang old New York style na brick building. Tapos all the way hanggang dito sa dulo. And we are just at 42nd Street. Comparing it to Dubai, magaganda buildings sa Dubai, pero hindi sing dense dito sa New York, as in left and right. Massive ang mga buildings, massive skyscrapers, left and right. And imagine niyo kung gaano kalaki to, the entire Manhattan. Ganito kalalaki yung buildings. Nakakaano eh. Overwhelming yung feeling of looking at each and every building dito sa New York. Okay, kung nakita natin yung JP Morgan building, mas bago ng JP Morgan building pero equally impressive itong Wells Fargo building. So papakita ko sa inyo, may nag-request ng Wells Fargo building, ito papakita ko sa iyo. Ang Wells Fargo building. Wells Fargo building. Just tignan yung gano'ng ka-impressive, gano'ng ka-massive. At alam nyo anong napaka-interesting sa kanya? Tignan nyo yung texture ng building. Lupit, no? Ganda. Buti na nadaanan ko. So, naalala ko lang yung nag-message for Wells Fargo. Ito. Ito yung video para sa'yo. So, shoutout nyo lang kung yung next building na gusto nyo. Left and right. Kanya-kanyang parang flagship buildings dito. Hindi flagship products, flagship buildings. Ito naman, old style brick building ng New York. Ganda. MetLife building. Pag nandito ka, parang ang mga celebrity sightseeing would be mga buildings kanya-kanyang flagship buildings, flagship towers ng iba-ibang financial institutions, global financial institutions. Makikita mo dito left and right. So, parang magiging part siya ng ng tour destination. Katulad nito, kanya-kanyang impressive buildings. MetLife. So this is One Vanderbilt. One point the richest man in America. Work permit, Department of Buildings. Alam nyo kung ano to? Jollibee. Sarado ang Jollibee.
Pinadlock?
Oh, sarado ang Jollibee. Baka may work permit related issue sila. Katabi nyo McDo, magkatabi sila. Pero McDo bukas. Jollibee. Napadlakan. So, hindi ko lang alam kung anong reason. Baka alam nyo, let me know. Tower.
Grabe din sila nag-survive sa Pilipinas.
Wow. Kasi ito Salesforce. Kung gumagamit ka ng Salesforce CRM, ito yung Salesforce. Kasi ito yung Bank of America.
Kaya naglalaway kayo mga kamag-anak ko.
Dito tayo sa Bronx, so tignan mo. Ibang-iba na rin, oh. Ito mo. Grabe yung dumi, grabe yung kalat. So, we're in a different part of New York. May pupuntahan kami, taga Bronx. Anyway, hanapin pa namin. Grabe, ibang experience yung ano dito, itsura ng mga tao dito. Medyo mas nakakatakot. Bronx side. This is the Bronx side. Mga gentrified area na to. Akit tayo doon. Ibang-iba na itsura dito. Gentrified area ng New York. Nasa The Bronx kami. So marami mga films, mga alam niyo na. Ibang-iba itsura dito eh. Sige na, tawid. Tawid. May kotse. Oh, stop mo na, stop. May kotse. Oh, you're right. Tara. Ibang-iba na. So, pag nag-New York ka, huwag ma-expect na yung buong New York, itsurang Manhattan. Parang BGC. Pag napadpad kang Taguig, iba na rin itsura.
Yeah. So I'm saying there's like a bunch of like little businesses around here that are new that are pretty cool guy. He does like a lot of non-profit work actually. These are really the owner's actually pretty cool.
So you've met almost all of the owners where we going?
I've been here 4 years. Right? Yeah.
And you have this big sports TV.
They do like events and everything in here. Yeah.
So definitely the New York should go to the finals this year.
Right? Thank you so much.
Really nice. Looks really nice.
I've tried